I'm Miley, and I'm with this open source project, WasmEdge, and that's the QR code for our GitHub repo. It's under CNCF, and I think many of you have heard of our keynote talk in the morning by our founder, and I will talk a little bit more about that. So I will talk about the AI apps right now. So they are mostly constructed in a sidecar way. So it's like in this figure. So you have a primary application and you have a sidecar. So you connect to like OpenAI API or Claude API and have your primary application talk to the LLM. And we think this kind of API adopting OpenAI conventions would be inefficient for many newer tasks like real-time voice task or when the network latency requirement is high and we sometimes need streaming and the business logic would, we don't want it to leak into the sidecar, and we want to act on the LLM response for the next workflow steps. So when we want to do it a very lightweight way, when using Python, it's very heavyweight, and because of its different versions and heavy dependencies, etc. And also, if you use Llama CPP directly, it would be not portable across different devices. So we would need a universal and portable API solutions that can scale, so that it can be very good across diverse and different devices like tiny sensors or very powerful industry machine. And so WebAssembly would provide this kind of abstraction layer, and it's designed for high-performance application and would run securely in a sandbox environment. And also, it's language agnostic, like it supports Rust, C, C++, Go, and etc. So, yeah, it would be the most complete open source. Why is okay? It's the most complete open source OpenAI compatible API server, and optimized for these different use cases, and it would focus on open standard like W3C's Wasm standard, and it's a comprehensive solution for AI deployment. So we support these different AI models like vision models, image creating models, voice detecting, and also text-to-speech models. And also there's diverse software library runtime, library that we support like Llama CPP, PyTorch, and TensorFlow, etc. So you can use it across these different hardware like Mac, AMD, Intel, NVIDIA, and Huawei's Ascent. So I'll show you several real-life use cases. Like these use cases, these AI apps are all built on top of the Rust plus WebAssembly tech stack I just talked about. So the first use case is AI streamers. So you can see on the right side, you can choose the language. Like for example, you can choose English, and then you can clone your own voice and put your own voice, or you can connect any outside voice API to do the voices you like I don't know, Elon Musk's voice or something. And also these below images, you can change it to other images that you like, and also name them. So on the right, you can prompt. So the first box is the title of the video that you are going to create. And the second one in the middle is the prompt. There is a template that you can use, but you can adapt the prompt to anything you like. And the third box would be the kind of technical article or any news or documentation that you want to convert into a video. So it's like a little bit like a video version of Notebook LM, but it's all built on top of open source tools, including us and some open source models. And after you click submit, you will get 2 people talking to each other, commenting on the news. And the second use case would be to translate your video into any other language. Like, for example, this morning we have several keynotes. We can use this tool to have it dubbed in another language, or add the bilingual subtitle on top of it. I will show you how it looks like. So for example, this is a 16:6 video on AI, and we can, after you upload it, this tool would help you convert it from English into bilingual subtitle in Chinese, both Chinese and English. And also you can add some prompt if you have special terms that you don't want the whisper LLM to misheard what the speaker has pronounced. So you can add in the whisper prompt box. And the third use case would be the real-time conversational agent. It's also built on top of the tech stack I talked about. So this device is only $15, and I mean the cost is only $15, and then you can. And we build a real-time bot that you can prompt it to do real-time translation or conference note-taking, or any kind of smart companion that talks to you. I will play a tiny bit of this video. So I think it's, oh, okay, the voice is not working, I guess. So yeah, it's doing a live translation from Chinese into English and then English into Chinese. So because the audio is not working, so I guess you can go to our Twitter to check out how it looks like. Sorry. Yeah, I'm about to finish. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You can use our tech stack to build and deploy AI apps that scales. And you can see it's proven to be able to scale because the Gaia network has these 600K machines that runs WasmEdge to serve LLMs. And FiveMouse is an e-commerce company that uses WasmEdge to process these 500,000 videos every day. So yeah, I think that would be the end of my talk. And these are the GitHub repo that I mentioned just now. So you can, yeah. And last, I want to call for contributors. You can go to our GitHub repo and click on issues, and then when you filter open issues that's like, I don't know, LFX mentorship or GSOC, you will be able to see we wouldn't be hiring mentees. And yeah, that would be the end of my talk. The first one is our public WeChat account. And also, if you want to connect, you can talk to me on X or LinkedIn. Also, this is also my GitHub handle. Thank you so much.